So hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Bhandari, and this is an exclusive outlet of gift shop. You get all types of gifts here, and he's into this business for more than 30 years. And this comes in a street called Mamulpet, which is in Bangalore, India. And this comes in a complex called DPG complex, first floor. And so right now in this episode I'm going to tell you the location. Prices will not be revealed. So right now I'm in Mamulpet, which is in Bangalore, India. And so there's a White Temple landmark. So when you come from White Temple little bit, then this kind of structure will come. So you have to go inside this, and then his outlet will come. You have to keep going. Come here, you have to take the dead end left, and this complex will come, and this is a complex named DPG complex, and you have to go in first floor, and his outlet will come. His outlet name is Bhandari. And so this is outlet, you can just check, and the outlet name is Bhandari. Amazing place for gift shop, huge place. This is all types of gifts you will get, beautiful gifts for your house, for restaurants, for cafe, for corporate. And they are into this business for many years, and he's the owner of this place. Whenever you come here, you can meet him or his sons. And just check the outlet, very big outlet, beautiful gifts item you get here, lantern, everything, very nice place, and everything you're getting for wholesale price. And all his address numbers are there in the video screen. If you want to purchase any of his product, you can directly WhatsApp him, and he'll get back to you with all the details. Very nice. Now I'm introducing you to the owner's son, and his name is Mr. Akshay. So welcome to my show. So what and all you get in your outlet, sir?
So basically we have home decor,
okay,
wall frames,
okay,
corporate giftings.
Okay.
Right now Deepavali season is there, so we have all candles, diyas,
okay,
water fountains,
okay,
all sorts of home decor products.
Okay.
We have our own manufacturing of wall frames.
Okay, beautiful,
well.
Amazing. This is.
These are ceramic mugs and all.
Okay. And this is a total wholesale outlet, right?
It's a wholesale outlet only, yes.
Okay. And apart from this, what and all you get clocks,
Wall
lights,
clocks are there, lamps are there,
okay,
wind chimes are there,
okay,
table clocks, alarm clocks.
okay.
You can have our premium products also.
Amazing. Just check candles, lantern, beautiful place. This is very huge place. This is for gift. I think one of the, and just check this. Wow. Stunning place. Frames and all you'll get here. All these frames you get. Wow. And just check this. Amazing gift item. Yeah, sir.
These are our premium products.
Okay. Just check. Amazing product. This all looks very fancy, colorful.
Home decor goods.
You can use for your office, for corporate, for malls, each and everything. And just check all this thing. Wow. So beautifully designed, all this. So creative. Amazing art. Amazing things. Home decor you can put in your home. If you're looking for all this, looks very classy and elegant. Amazing products. Total wholesale outlet. And you're getting for wholesale price. Very nice place this all. And you get clocks, frame, amazing photo frames also you'll get here.
Photo frames, small frames.
Small, big, all types of frames. Just check this. Wow. It looks so cool with a gun over there. Yes. Very nice. Very pretty. Just check this. Wow. Amazing painting of horse. And just check this little bit details also, like glossy one, looks very cool. You want to put on your wall any kind of frames. They have all these frames if you're looking for spiritual frames or any kind of animals, nature frame, each and everything they'll have small. Just check this, all this amazing water fountain and all you'll get here. Beautiful design, amazing design. Just check this water, so cool, and you're getting for very reasonable price. And this all are the bells if you're looking for these bells. And just check this all, so cool it looks. All this hanging monkey and tortoise, very cool place. And just check this again, like a tree it is designed, so beautiful and wonderful. So I really like the place. They are having amazing items, and this all are the candles. Very nice place, very nice products they are having. It looks very cool in your home. If you want to decorate your home, if you want to decorate your office, all are very cool. Very nice gifts he's having. You can gift in your family, you can gift in your corporate, all the items they're having. And just before I wind up, I just want to tell that this place is having absolutely beautiful gifts item, and I personally loved it, and I highly recommend you people also come to his outlet, and I'm sure you love his collection. Then it's up to you, and I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.